Hi friends, welcome to Navra Kitchen. Today I am preparing curd Jentikalau. If you have leftover sour curd and don't know what to do with it, try these delicious crispy snacks. Let's start the procedure. For preparing curd Jentikalau, first take 1 cup of rice flour and half cup of all-purpose flour. Add few carom seeds. Carom seeds gives nice flavor to the Jentikalau. Add tablespoon sesame seeds, tablespoon red chili powder and salt according to your taste. Mix all the dry ingredients. Now add 2 tablespoons ghee and give a mix. After adding ghee, you will get a crumble texture. Now add 3/4 cup of curd and mix everything. After adding curd, just add tablespoon of water to make a dough. We don't need any extra water. Mix everything and make a soft dough. At last add little oil and knead the dough. Now keep your sevai maker ready, that is Jentikalau press. I am taking disc with medium holes. Grease the sevai maker with little oil. Now take little portion of the dough and fill till the rim of the sevai maker. Once you fill the dough, close it. Heat oil in a heavy bottom pan, and once the oil is heated, press it by rotating the Jentikalau press. Fry on both sides until they turn brown and crisp. Repeat the same procedure with the entire dough. Curd Jentikalau are ready, and these can be a perfect evening snack for kids. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.